made it to Islands of Adventure. We've already found a big cat. Pacific Resort, we get early access into the parks. Yay! Just like everybody else in the park, we are headed over to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter to Hogsmeade. 7:30 and the line for Hagrid's is back in the Lost Continent. We made it to Hogsmeade. With our stay at a Universal Premium Resort, we also get an unlimited express pass.
It's pretty sunrise.
We're doing Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey or Flight of the Old Dirty Baskets.
Old Dirty Baskets.
Old Dirty Baskets. Flight of the Hippogriff is not the most exciting ride, but it is a coaster that pretty much anybody can ride. It's kind of on par with like Barnstormer. And it has a buckbeak animatronic that you can only see if you ride the ride. Forbidden Journey is a really fun ride. You get to see like so many Harry Potter things. You see most of the main characters. You see, you know, I like Basilisk, Dementors. You get to be right in the middle of a Quidditch game. You get to go through the castle. But if you are prone to motion sickness, this may be a tough one for you. It makes Mike queasy and he's not prone to motion sickness. I've never had a problem on it. I think if you like Harry Potter, it's worth trying it, but just be warned that you may have some tummy issues afterward. And it has one of the most detailed, amazing queues of any ride anywhere. So if you really are a big Potterhead, is that a thing? That's what they call them, right? You have the option of walking through the queue and just ducking out before the ride. You'll get to see all of the founders kind of bickering back and forth. You get to see Dumbledore. You get to basically tour the castle. If you wanted to ever be inside Hogwarts, this is your chance.
It really is pretty this time.
We are venturing out to Jurassic Park. Do love Jurassic Park, and I'm super excited for the Velocicoaster. So the Jurassic Park River Adventure is one of the only rides I remember from when I came here in high school.
If it involves getting wet, I'm out.
It made an impression. We all became obsessed with Velociraptor.
Yeah, I love Velociraptors. It's true.
Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world and giants walked the earth. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
The award for creepiest queue goes to Kong, for sure. I love it. can walk from park to park, or you could take a really fun Harry Potter ride from park to park. So on the Hogwarts Express, Mike told us he'd rather eat a regular spider than a licorice spider, so we may be putting that to the test at some point. Here we go. Diagon Alley. I'm gonna go to Diagon Alley where my two favorite places in all of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter are. The Hopping Pot and Nocturne Alley.
Why you keep buying these liters of water? Yep, and then to your left.
I like to come to the Hopping Pot and get myself a fire whiskey and strongbow cider and sit at these picnic tables and watch unsuspecting people walk by and get shot with water from the fountain from people doing spells. It is my favorite activity in Universal. I could sit here all day with a beverage watching people walk by and get hit in the face with water.
Unsuspecting folks.
Alcohol. Wonder if we could get Mike in here.
Mike could use a little off the top, a little down here. I would love to have a wizard's cut. I'm getting some Sweeney Todd vibes looking at those blades. Jeez, where's Andy Bernard?
You pick up the boats back to the hotels on the NBC Sports Grill Brew side. They line them all up. And just like the Disney buses, they're all labeled by your resort.
Make this one?
I don't know. I don't know if this
A boat pulled away with guests at 4:18, and 2 minutes later, another boat pulled up at 4:20. So I feel like that's a good sign. I'm sure it depends on crowd levels, but the boat before us pulled away at 4:18, and we were on our boat pulling away at 4:24, so just 6 minutes later. That's not bad. Delightful, breezy, literal 5-minute boat ride from the parks.
Time to head on back up to the room and get some rest because we have another full day ahead of us tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.